Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to block phone calls on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on phones and tap on contacts and scroll down. Okay, choose someone. Okay, click and tap on this option, block it. Just click and block contact. That's all. Then back, try another person. Just click, scroll down, tap on block. Okay, and click on block contact and block phone calls on iPhone. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.